This is John. Like many of us, John dreams of financial freedom. He wants to learn and earn from the stock market and build a steady stream of passive income. John took action. He attended online and offline training sessions, watched countless videos, read blogs, and followed market experts. But still, making consistent profits, that was a challenge. Why? Because John faced some key problems. He missed the right entry and exit points. He lacked proper money management. His trades had poor risk-to-reward ratios. Losses impacted his confidence and psychological well-being. And soon, it began affecting both his personal and professional life. Frustrated and stuck, John started searching for a better way. He came across Algo trading, automated systems that trade based on logic, not emotion. It sounded promising, but new questions popped up. Which trading platform to choose? Which Algo platform is reliable? How to build an Algo without coding? And, will it actually work in the long run? That's when John discovered Algo Bot Studio, a ready-to-use, automated trading system focused on option buying. It required low initial investment and allowed him to track real performance before going big. With Algo Bot Studio, he never misses a trading opportunity. Risk-reward is always in control. Money management is built in. And most importantly, no emotional stress. Now, John focuses on his job, spends quality time with his family, and doesn't worry about the market anymore. Thanks to Algo Bot Studio, the market works for him even when he's not watching. Algo Bot Studio, trade smart, live free. Contact on WhatsApp for more details.